It's raining in my house. This is going to be like the third video, so it's raining outside, but it's raining in my house. I've already kind of let y'all know, but I'll make this other video. This is water inside the house because it's raining outside. And I think if y'all don't come fix it, you're going to have more problems on your hands because this whole front end's going to be molded inside. I lived here like 3 years. And nothing's been done about it yet. You can tell. I think it's molded on the inside. Maybe this will be good enough to get someone to come over here. Again, it's raining outside, but it's raining inside the house. Ugh.